In a quiet room, a soft rainfall begins to fall, each drop tapping a patient rhythm on the window as a whispering narrator invites the listener to settle into stillness. Gentle strokes of a hairbrush sweep through imagined locks, the bristles releasing tiny tingles that travel from scalp to fingertips. A crackling fireplace adds warmth, embers glowing, and the narrator hush lulls the breath to slow and the thoughts to drift away. Subtle sounds layer pages, turning a distant kettle, a breeze through linen, every cue getting a deeper state of calm. As the session closes, the rain fades to a whisper, and the listener remains softly held in a peaceful, lingering serenity.